Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Today we are going to discuss. The next type of plant tissue, that is complex permanent tissue. Plant tissues are of two types. First is meristematic tissue. Second is permanent tissue. And meristematic tissues are of three types: apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Permanent tissues are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Simple permanent tissue के बाद बेटा जी हमने डिस्कस किया था protective tissue. Epidermis and cork. And today we are going to discuss the complex permanent tissue. NCERT page number 72. Complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue. Complex tissue are made of more than one type of cells. सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू में हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि जो टिश्यूज हैं वो एक ही तरह के सेल से बने हैं. बट कॉम्प्लेक्स टिश्यू मींस मेड ऑफ मोर देन वन टाइप ऑफ सेल्स. एंड ऑल दीज सेल्स कोऑर्डिनेट टू परफॉर्म अ कॉमन फंक्शन. Complex tissue are made of more than one type of cell. More than one type of cell. And all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Xylem and phloem are two types of complex permanent tissue. Xylem and phloem. And these are known as vascular tissue or conductive tissue. Vascular tissue and conductive tissue. अब इस प्लांट में से अगर हम ये स्टेम के पार्ट को के ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन को ऑब्जर्व करें माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर तो हम इस तरह से दिखाई दे. अब इसमें ये जो पार्ट है ये क्या है? वस्कुलर टिश्यू. जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम है ये. अगर इसको जूम करके देखें तो जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम, ये जो पार्ट है दिस इज अ जाइलम and this part is phloem. Xylem and phloem, complex permanent tissue, also known as vascular tissue or conductive tissues. And these tissues are made up of more than one type of cell. अब xylem complex permanent tissue है, उसमें एक से ज्यादा cells है. Same phloem की क्या है? Complex permanent tissue and is made up of more than one type of cell. This slide is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, xylem. Xylem consists of 4 components. Write down the name of these 4 components: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. Xylem consists of 4 components: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. ये xylem है, ठीक है. अब इसमें 4 components हैं. First is tracheids, second is vessels. ये जो है ये क्या है? tracheids. और ये पाइपलाइंस पाइप्स दिखाई दे रही हैं आपको, is tube-like structures, vessels. Tracheids and vessels are tube-like structures. और इनका function क्या है? This allows them to transport water and mineral vertically. Tracheids and vessels are tube-like structure, transport water and mineral vertically. Next is xylem parenchyma. ये है xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma are living cells with thin cell wall. और उनका फंक्शन क्या है? टू स्टोर फूड, टू स्टोर फूड. और जो ट्रेकीड्स होते हैं डेड सेल्स हैं. And xylem parenchyma living cells with thin cell wall and function to store food. This is xylem fiber. Fourth component xylem fiber. ये xylem fiber यहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं ट्रेकीड्स और वेसल्स के साथ. Xylem fibers. Xylem fibers are long, narrow, tapering sclerenchyma cell. अगर sclerenchyma जो dead है, these are dead cells with lignified cell wall. Long, narrow sclerenchyma cells with lignified cell wall, and they provide mechanical strength to plant body. What are the various components of xylem? Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. Tracheids, dead cell tube-like structure. Tracheids and vessels are tube-like structure and allow the transport of water and mineral vertically. Next is xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma living cells with thin cell wall. उनका function क्या है? To store food. Next component xylem fibers. Long, narrow sclerenchyma cells with lignified cell wall and function to provide mechanical strength to plant body. This slide is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the functions of xylem? It helps in upward movement of waters and mineral to different parts of plant. It helps in upward movement of water and mineral to the different parts of plant. Next function, it provides mechanical strength to the plant body. Xylem parenchyma क्या क्या function है? It stores food. Xylem fiber क्या provide करते हैं? Mechanical strength. And tracheids and vessels transport water and mineral to the different parts of plant. Write on the functions of xylem in your book. It helps in the upward movement of water and mineral salt to the different parts of plant. It provides mechanical strength to plant body. And the third is xylem parenchyma store food. So different components कौन से होते हैं? Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Tracheids and vessels are tube-like structure and allow the transport of water and minerals vertically. Parenchyma living होते हैं with thin cell wall and function to store food. Xylem fibers, long, narrow sclerenchyma cells, dead cells हैं ये भी. और जो parenchyma वो living cells हैं with lignified cell wall. And xylem fiber क्या करते हैं? Provide mechanical strength to plant body. अगर हमारे से सिर्फ फंक्शन पूछे जा रहे हैं तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? It helps in the upward movement of water and mineral to the different parts of plant. It provides mechanical strength to the plant body. And the third, xylem parenchyma store food. Xylem के components and function clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next type of complex permanent tissue is phloem. Phloem is made up of 4 types of elements, 4 components. First is sieve tubes, second companion cells, third phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. 4 types of elements or 4 type of components of phloem: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and parenchyma. First is sieve tubes. These are sieve tubes. Sieve tubes are long tube-like structure composed of elongated sieve tubes, element placed one above the other, forming a continuous chain tube. One sieve tube, and the end walls of sieve tubes are known as sieve plates. And these plates are perforated. And these sieve plates are perforated. Next is companion cells. These are the companion cells. Associated with sieve tubes and are living cells. And the next is phloem parenchyma. Present होता है बेटे phloem parenchyma. This is the phloem parenchyma. And this is fiber. Phloem parenchyma, thin-walled living parenchyma cells. Next is phloem parenchyma, thin-walled living parenchyma cells present in phloem are known as phloem parenchyma. अब parenchyma है, thin-walled है और living होंगे ये. आप parenchyma पे भी पढ़ चुके हो ये simple permanent tissue में. Then phloem fibers, dead, thick-walled, elongated, spindle-shaped, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma तो ये क्या होंगे? Dead cells. Sclerenchymatous fibers present in phloem are known as phloem fibers. Phloem fibers and dead sclerenchyma, so they provide the mechanical strength to plant. They provide mechanical strength to plant. तो ये भी एक उसका function हो गया. It provide mechanical strength to plant. Xylem भी mechanical strength provide कर रहा है और phloem भी mechanical strength provide कर रहा है. Exception phloem fibers. All phloem cells are living. Phloem fibers क्या है? Dead. And function. Phloem transports food from leaves to other parts of plant. Phloem transports food from leaves to other parts of plant. And it is in both directions. Now, what are the components of phloem? Sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. Sieve tubes are tube-like structures. End walls of sieve tubes are known as sieve plates, and sieve plates are perforated. And companion cells are associated with sieve tube. ये क्या होते हैं? Living cells. Then phloem parenchyma. Parenchyma cells होता है इसमें, thin walled है, living cells है ये. Then phloem fiber, thick walled, elongated, spindle shaped. Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma means dead. And they give the mechanical strength to plant. The components of phloem and function of phloems are clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, same topic from your NCERT book. Complex permanent tissue. The different types of tissue we have discussed till now are made up of one type of cells which look like each other, and such type of tissues are known as simple permanent tissue. Another type of permanent tissue is complex tissue. Complex tissue, यही लाइन हमने स्लाइड पे फर्स्ट लिखी थी. The complex tissue are made of more than one type of cells, and all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Second line of the slide. Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are the examples of complex tissue. Xylem and phloem are the two types of complex permanent tissue. They are both conducting tissue, and therefore they are known as vascular tissue and conductive tissues. Okay. Vascular or conductive tissue is a distinctive feature of complex tissue plant, one that has made possible their survival in the terrestrial environment. Now, different types of cells in vascular bundles are shown in the figure, that is section of stem. Then xylem. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and fibers. Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and fibers. The cells have thick wall, and many of them are dead cells. Tracheids and vessels are tubular structure. This allows them to transport water and mineral vertically. The parenchyma stores food. Parenchyma क्या होते हैं? Living cells. And helps in sideways conduction of water. And fibers are supportive in function. इस पैराग्राफ में क्या लिखा है? Xylem के लिए. And next paragraph of phloem. It is made up of 4 types of elements. 4 types of elements: sieve tubes, then companion cells, then phloem fibers, and parenchyma. Sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem fiber, and phloem parenchyma. And sieve tubes are tubular cells with perforated walls. And phloem is unlike the xylem in that material can move in both the direction. And phloem transport food from leaves. Phloem transports food from leaves to other parts of plant. Phloem fiber, phloem cells are living cells. जितना भी हमने आपको स्लाइड पे एक्सप्लेन किया है वो सारे पॉइंट्स कहां से थे? आपकी बुक से थे. Any doubt in xylem and phloem now? If there is any doubt in xylem and phloem, that is complex permanent tissue, then raise your hand. Next is animal tissues. अब plant tissue complete हो गया है. अब next हम क्या discuss करने जा रहे हैं? Animal tissues. First type of animal tissue, epithelial tissue. Second, muscular tissue. Third, connective tissue, and fourth, nervous tissue. 4 types of animal tissues. First, epithelial tissue. Second, muscular tissue. Third, connective tissue. Fourth, nervous tissue. So, flow chart of animal tissues. Animal tissues are of 4 types: epithelial, muscular, connective, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissues की type note कीजिए. First, squamous. Second, cuboidal. Third, column shape. And fourth, with cilia, that is ciliated epithelial. Then fifth, glandular epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are of 5 types. Next type of animal tissue is muscular tissue. Muscular tissues, further 3 types: striated muscles, non-striated muscular tissues, and third, cardiac muscular tissues. Cardiac muscular tissue. ये बेटे फ्लो चार्ट अपनी नोटबुक पे बना लीजिए. नेक्स्ट, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. फर्स्ट, एरोलर्स कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. dense regular connective tissue, adipose tissue, skeletal tissue, and fifth, vascular tissues, fluid. Dense regular connective tissue are of two types, tendons and ligament. Tendon and ligament. And skeletal of 2 types, cartilage and bone. And fluid connective tissue 2 types, blood and lymph. And the 4th type of animal tissue is nervous tissue. बायो की नोटबुक पे बेटा ये आप फ्लो चार्ट बना लीजिए जल्दी से. Animal tissues are of 4 types: epithelial, muscular, connective, and nervous. Right? Epithelial tissues की क्या types होती हैं? Squamous, cuboidal, column shape, then with cilia, that is ciliated, then glandular. 5 types of epithelial tissue जो हम discuss करेंगे. Then muscular tissue 3 types. Connective tissues are of 5 types: areolas, dense regular connective tissue, adipose, skeletal, then fluid. And dense regular connective tissues are further 2 types: tendons and ligament. Skeletal tissue 2 types: cartilage and bone. And fluid, blood and lymph. And 4th type of animal tissue is nervous tissue.